Down here with a foodie Val that I know ahead of time that I like because I buy it all the time. You can get it cheaper if you buy your watermelon as a watermelon and then cut it up yourself. This is pre-cut in, I think it's 10 sticks. And it's got this nifty little plastic outfit there that opens up the container. And sometimes they're pretty good and sometimes they're just so-so, but I do like them. And there's lycopene in these, in the watermelon itself, and so normally I'm evaluating things that I don't know whether I'm going to like them or not ahead of time. Some of them I give them the benefit of the doubt, hoping that other people's tastes are maybe a little bit more appreciative than mine about certain things, but this is something I really do like, and I don't miss the the issues with cutting up the melon and then having to dispose of it. You feel bad if you throw it into the normal trash, and most people, they don't seem to have a one of those items where they can throw away all their fruit peels and so forth, and orange peels and stuff like that, and then somehow it turns into useful soil for the garden. But I don't miss having to cut that up. Somebody else does this, and you're charged appropriately for it. But it's my idea of a pretty good snack, and I don't normally get them, but it's especially nice this time of year. So it's just me rounding things out with something that I appreciate and that I like and I think is a great snack. So